Hi,
Jasper.
Jasper.
Hello, hello,
Hello.
Universe.
universe.
Yes. We're
Yes.
actually with Jasper Chongson now. Yes. First and foremost, congratulations, Jasper, ha, for your song,
Congratulations.
Hello Universe.
Yes, so,
Grabe. Anong kwento dito sa kantang to?
nako, this is such a, it's a song really close to my heart. It's my first single, and it's actually a story of how I have evolved from being a corporate guy into like a full-blooded, 100% artist already. Ito na yung in-embrace ko na
Hmm.
yung parang the possibilities of being an artist. So kaya siya Hello Universe kasi there was a time in my life nung medyo patapos yung pandemic, yung mga events na ulit. As you probably know, I've been hosting a lot of events, di ba? Tapos sabi ko, gawin ko na kaya ito full time kasi parang pandemic realization na ba namatay ako tomorrow, ginagawa ko yung gusto ko. Parang ganun. So as for a sign from the universe, I was in my corporate job back then. And then I hosted kasi site na yung hosting. I was hosting in a mall. Tapos si Pia works back. So universe, sign from the universe, Miss Universe 2015, Pia works back. Step on stage, sabi niya, galing-galing po niya, palakpakan po natin siya. He's doing a fantastic job. So akala ko parang showbiz lang.
Hmm.
Kasi syempre, I've worked with a lot of celebrities already. They will tell you that you're good or they praise you because you've done a fantastic job. But then what separated this kind of experience with Pia was when I got home, I found an IG follow from the Miss Universe 2015 herself. And then, nag-DM pa siya. Sabi niya, hey, I wasn't kidding a while back. Let me send you over to Miss Universe because parang bagay na bagay ka doon. Your energy, how you handle the crowd and everything else. So yun, so siya yung fairy godmother ko, not only in Miss Universe, but in doing this full time, in amassing the confidence, I suppose, and the trust in myself. So Hello Universe is about that, di ba? Believing in yourself first and foremost. And probably a P awards back, or
Hmm.
anybody naman would believe in you, and you will be able to have that confidence to carve your own space in the universe. Kaya, Hello Universe. This is for all the dreamers. It doesn't matter anong edad mo, 'di ba? Parang wala namang timeline yung
Hmm.
pag-hello mo into your best self.
Hmm.
So I hope you could really be inspired by the song, especially with this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited with this upcoming release of the music video kasi somehow at least iba talaga pag napapanood mo yung papakinggan mo it's nice already pero to get to visualize it via of course Midnight Dream Studio and of course the visionary Nicolo Cosme of Howl Digital. So nai-exeto talaga ako. We've done a lot of sets kanina.
Hmm.
So ang dami. Kumaga kasi dami ng possibilities sa universe. Yun.
So, sinulat mo to.
I wrote this
You
song.
wrote this song and then hindi ka naman nahirapan.
Actually, yun nga eh. So, yung mga singer-songwriter, katulad ko, siguro kung yung mga nanonood, yung mga karelate kayo na iba-iba talaga minsan yung pagdating ng inspiration in writing songs. Sometimes you get a writer's block, diba? But ako, specifically for this song, I was driving home from hosting Miss Universe one time nung back in, I think, 2023 or 2024 sa Pauwi ako. Tapos pumapasok lang yung melody sa utak ko already. So I was so inspired. It's been like one good show that I've hosted for Miss Universe. Tapos yun, parang na-move lang ako na parang feeling ko providential siya na, sige, sulit mo na yan. Parang minubulungan ako ng Diyos na parang, okay, sige, sulit ko. Sobrang bilis lang yan. Natapos siya siguro in an hour, maybe, parang a couple
Hmm.
of minutes. Kasi siguro alam ko na yung gusto kong sabihin eh. I mean, this is the story of my life right now, di ba? Embracing what you are capable of, believing yourself, not doubting yourself, and finally just doing it. Kasi parang ang dami nating mga, kumbaga, probably you've been jaded because of all the stigma and all the things that you have experienced in your life, di ba? Na parang natigilan ka na, oops, huwag mong gawin yan. Do this full time, di ba? Just, di ba sa sideline, hindi naman ang sweldo mo or something. Pero, finally, when you really embrace what you love doing, do what you're passionate about, talagang magbubukas talaga, I don't know, ang daming opportunities na nagpumukas talaga for me. And I'm so grateful. And I think it's a burst of my heart being grateful for all the opportunities. Kaya ako nasulat ng mabilis yung Hello Universe.
So ito
That's my
yung
thank
first
you.
mo na compose na song
Actually,
ever?
madami na ako nakapost
Okay.
before. I've been writing for different brands for their jingles. So, hindi ko lang mention ko ano yung mga brands. And then I've done some songs also, pero it's always kept lang as a personal, I mean, it's for personal use. Pero to get to release a song na to own that it's mine and that I'm so proud of, I suppose, and that really somehow aligns with where I am at a certain point in my life, ito yung first na parang sobrang relate talaga ako also.
So it will be released by Star Music ba? Tama ba?
This one actually is it's perfect timing that I just shot the music video now because I just recently signed with Star Music.
Wow.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
Sakto, Universe Star.
Yes.
Nag-align din siya actually. So actually, I talked with Star Music for my second single release sana. So this one is not under Star Music yet, but then I want to make sure it's my baby song. It's my first single, so it's close to my heart. That I want to release first this song as a way of opening things up with Star Music. So ganun din, para pambukas din. Hello! Kasi nga hello.
Yeah.
So hello Star Music. So at least parang kumbaga I open a new chapter kumbaga with a bang also with Star Music. So I will be releasing my first album kasi right after this one. So this is not a part of the first album. This is my first single. But then under Star Music, so I've written a couple of songs already. So I'll be releasing the album very soon. So at this moment, we are just polishing all the songs that are part of the album. And then we're gonna be releasing it sometime maybe April, May. I'm not sure kasi in April we'll be talking pala about marketing and distribution and all that. So I'm not sure. Baka around April, May, June, maybe the latest na to release the first album.
Quarter 2. songs yung nasa album?
That will consist of 6 songs. So it's a mini album.
Or
It's not
EP.
Ganun. So may
Yes.
tawag na nila mini album or something.
May naka-duet ka ba dito or your solo?
Actually, may mga ini-envision si Star Music na collabs for this one because may mga song talaga na bagay for something and we're talking also of the possibilities of getting to utilize the songs for mga teleserye or something.
Wow.
Pero kasi since we haven't met about the marketing and distribution yet, hindi pa namin na-iron out ano yung mga plans talaga. But I'm so excited. But they want the songs to be released and stand on on their own first for the album. And then tsaka na lang namin ipapasok yung collabs. Kasi syempre separate kumbaga push pa yung gagawin nila if merong mga collabs. Pero yun nga, I'm not opening any doors. I'm open to all possibilities. Just like Hello Universe, diba? It's really being open lang and it will come kung para sa'yo talaga.
So what's, ano yung genre ng album, Jasper? Is it a combination of like love songs, dance songs, pop music?
Actually, I'm not sure if it's a genre, but it's more of a story. Parang the album is called, sabi ko na ba, parang mga kabanata.
Mga
Parang
kabanata.
chapters. So if you're gonna be listening or probably digesting the album, parang it's about as a person how you're evolving also. They're just very aligned also to my life. So it's first getting to the first song is about celebrating who you are as a person, diba? Kasi how could you embrace other opportunities without getting to know yourself first? And yun nga, parang blossoming from there. Tapos may part doon na in love, nasaktan, na in love ulit, spread your wings, diba? And then open yourself up for new opportunities. So iba-ibang facet siya from yun nga, mayroong frou-frou to medyo may emote na mga song. So, in terms of the genre tuloy, meron din siyang sa pop R&B, tapos may ballad. Parang medyo combination siya. Because, yeah, parang it's really more than a genre, it's really more of me as a person.
And
As
your
opposed to
storytelling.
O, kasi parang ang hirap din ikaon, siguro, well, at least for the first album, to box myself into a certain genre. Because, yun nga, ang hirap din. When you're starting, I suppose. Feeling ko, it's also sort of kind of an experiment for Star Music na, okay, sige, we could see, sabi nila, the storytelling of this one. And buo siya. That's why na-engganyo talaga sila to sign me. Kasi parang we love the story of the whole album. But then siguro hindi pa rin sila sure kung alin yung genre they want it to focus on. Pero yun nga, I think it's nice kasi at least there's always an opening for improvement and to, really harness my craft. Kasi nga medyo late bloomer din ako in doing this full time, di ba? I mean, hindi naman tayo kabataan Pero yun nga, parang at least parang ang sarap na binigay nila sa akin sa mga yung free reign na sige, let's release this as it is, di ba? With your collaboration as a singer-songwriter.
Jasper,
kayo pakitay, saan po ito pwedeng pakinggan or mapanood sa platform?
Uy, ano, itong Hello Universe. Hello Universe, it will be distributed definitely across all platforms, mainly YouTube for the full song. But then, syempre, we'll utilize, the song itself is already online actually, pero ito nga medyo nahuli lang yung pinaka-video, which I think, everything happens for a reason for me, so I'm just grateful through and through along the way. So you could listen to Spotify, to Apple Music, Deezer even, sa YouTube, it's also available. So yun, the songs are there. Actually, we released there parang the -1 if you wanna sing and we create a video. So
The instrumental
we're looking forward
version.
for you to get to, utilize the song also. So you could also parang utilize the song for mga TikTok videos nyo, for mga IG Reels, even sa mga
Facebook.
stories, Facebook, Meta, wherever. So please actually use it. Please. Mama ka. Please.
Walang copyright.
No, sa Facebook meron.
Sa
pero
Facebook.
Instagram naman,
Meron
pwede natin.
Gamitin,
Tsaka
correct.
parang minsan kapag you're gonna use it lang naman for some
30 seconds lang, yes.
Yes.
So,
Kaya ano mo lang yung tune, edit mo lang.
Oo, kaya sabihin mo, lagyan mo ng boses mo, wow, wow, wow!
Just mga ilang buwan or taon mo to na po yung na-compose yung Hello Universe.
Hello Universe, mas mention kayo na mabilis lang.
Kanina one.
Parang wala.
Wala pang walang one day.
Oo.
Wala pang
day
one.
Parang 1 hour lang.
One hour lang halos eh. Kasi parang sinabi lang ng puso at ng utak ko kung ano yung estado ng buhay at ng parang I was feeling at that time.
Sinong dream mong makakolab?
Maka-collab? I am a fan kung local siya ni KZ Tandi.
KZ Tandi.
Andito siya ngayon.
Nandito po siya ngayon.
Please welcome.
Please
Please
welcome
welcome
KZ
KZ.
Tandingan! Ang bilis.
KZ.
Pero nakakatuwa kasi nga star music na tayo.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yung mga dreams natin, unti-unti natin na.
Mararating.
Diba?
Nakakatawa kasi sobrang catchy ng song mo. Last year pa to.
Oo.
So at least may music video at kasama pa
Kasama tayo.
Actually, that's part of the plan talaga. I want to give back to an industry that has been very open
Mm-mm.
to me. Di ba? Na parang ako, Mia, hindi ko naman nakalain na from
Yeah.
just deciding of
Mhm.
really opening myself up to the universe of possibilities.
Mm-mm.
Na literal na universe ako agad, dire-diretso. Di ba? Parang hindi ko pinagdaanan yung mga ano. Although my life has always been preparing me for something siguro. And it just so happened na niliteral nga ako. Nangingi ako ng sign sa universe. In the
Oo.
universe talaga ako. So, I wanna give back. Siyempre, you guys, I mean, you've been the best also. Whenever I host, nabubuhayan ako. Because it's really a matter of community, di ba? Parang yung sense na yung mga kasama ka, we're all cheering on, di ba? We are all into this experience. And I really love my experience. Kahit na bago ko dun sa industry, kayo yung nagpa-at home sa akin. So I wanna make sure that the homes also, we get to see the people who made me feel at home.